Heavy machinery, when witnessed in action, can prove to be one of the most amazing things in the world. It transcends our view and brings about the beauty of well-built, solid machinery. In this video, we will explore 20 of these amazing machines that pack a heavy weight in our world today. The Big Bud 16V747 Tractor. The Big Bud 16V747 tractor is regarded as the dinosaur of vehicles and was created 36 years ago. Despite its age on the market since its creation, this tractor still holds the record title for the largest tractor in the world, with its length dimension being 8.5 meters and width dimension being 6.4 meters and 4.2 meters in height. In terms of weight, this bad boy packs 48 tons, and equivalent to the high-end weights Captain America lifted in the comics. For its power, the tractor has been provided with a 16-cylinder diesel engine generating 900 horsepower as its maximum output. One can only imagine how powerful a sound it would produce at close range. That's not all though, because in 1978, the price tag for this tractor was slated at $300,000, an unbelievable price for a vehicle at the time. Bagger 293. Taking the first spot on the list is the Bagger 293, which was designed and built in 1995 by the company Tubebackr, located in Germany. It is a very humongous machine, holding the title as the biggest mining machine being used today and also as the largest vehicle to be constructed on Earth. It comprises buckets on a wheel which rotates and removes soil material from the earth to reveal deeper layers. It is a surface mining machine that can remove around 240,000 cubic meters of soil daily, with its enabling features of 96 meters in height, 225 meters in length, and a weight of 16,000 tons. The bucket wheel of this machine is 21 meters in diameter and consists of 18 buckets which can hold as much as 15 cubic meters of material. Can you imagine what insane power it exhibits? Also, 5 people are needed to operate this machine. A bit similar to the Power Rangers controlling the Megazord, but this big boy runs on an external power source providing 16 megawatts of energy. Moving this machine is a bit tasking, with 12 Caterpillar tracks being needed for the entire machine to be mounted upon, after which its mobility is a little slow with a top speed of 10 meters per minute. Komatsu D575A Dozer. First up, we have the Komatsu D575A Dozer, renowned for its colossal size and impressive power. This colossal crawler, boasting a robust 1,150 horsepower engine, is not your average bulldozer. It's a super dozer that can carry 90 cubic yards of load. Manufactured by Komatsu, this super dozer is one of the largest in existence. It is designed for monumental earth-moving tasks and massive construction projects. With a weight that could make even Godzilla take a second look, the D575A is a true giant, capable of moving vast amounts of material with ease. Its massive blade that resembles a colossal iron snowplow can effectively cut through the toughest terrains, making it indispensable for large-scale mining and earth-moving operations. The Komatsu D575A's size is not just impressive, it's like trying to fit an elephant into a compact car space. It's so massive that when it's time to hit the road, it needs to be disassembled into components, requiring 6 to 8 truckloads to transport depending on local laws. Latorno L2350. A made-in-America excavator, the Latorno L2350 costs $1.5 million and weighs 258 tons, holding the record for the largest excavator in the world. It boasts an engine rated at 2,300 horsepower and can lift loads of 400 tons. In its design, massive rubber tires are included in the mix, with a large diesel engine of 65 liters in capacity coupled with 16 turbocharged cylinders to deliver 2,300 horsepower. good luck going against that. Not only that, the excavator bucket has a 4,520 liter capacity, can go as high as 7.3 meters, and extend up to 3.5 meters. This Texas-born colossal road machine is surely a good contender for the king of beasts on the road. Belaz 75600. This is a haul truck used to carry volumes of unwanted pieces and materials from excavation. Built in Belarus by the Belarusian Auto Works, it is one of the largest mining trucks available. The USSR has employed the use of these giants at various sites like the Bachatsky coal mine to carry out their mining operations. The Belaz measures 14 meters in length, almost 10 meters wide, and 7.2 meters tall. Weighing 260 tons, which makes it unsuitable for applying normal roads, hence the need for specially constructed routes for its mobility. For its source of energy, a Cummins engine which produces 3,500 horsepower is used and thus provides a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour when empty and allows the truck to carry loads of up to 350 tons through a short distance at a reasonable speed. Whether it rained cats and dogs or fire and brimstone, this truck's ability to withstand any weather condition makes it a top choice for many in the construction industry. Liebherr Mining Excavator R9400. The Liebherr Mining Excavator R9400 Tier 4F is a heavy-duty powerhouse, boasting a robust 1,250 kilowatt engine that effortlessly fills up a haul truck in just 4 passes. With a colossal bucket capacity of 37 cubic yards. It's a material-devouring giant designed for large-scale mining operations. This beast laughs in the face of challenging conditions, working seamlessly regardless of the environmental challenges thrown its way. Weighing in from 110 to over 800 tons, these excavators are the true titans of the mining world, with the R9400 leading the pack in the Liebherr lineup. This high-tech superhero equipped with a Tier 4F engine ensures it meets stringent emission standards without compromising on mining prowess. For this, we can say that the R9400 is the James Bond of mining equipment, operating with the stealth of a secret agent. Its bucket resembles the appetite of a T-Rex that gulps vast amounts of material with precision and efficiency. Caterpillar 797F. Sitting on a market price of $5 million, the 797F Caterpillar was introduced to the public in September 2008 at an international expo. It replaced the old model 797V after its full production in the latter part of 2009. It weighs a cool 360 tons and is a monster in load lifting. We're talking The Rock, Dwayne Johnson lifting weights type of lifting. 6090 FS. This is the CAT 6090 FS, the heavyweight champion of hydraulic excavators that proudly flaunts its colossal operating weight of 1,102 tons and a muscle-flexing engine output of 4,500 horsepower. Manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated, the machine is used in the heavy-duty realms of mining and earth-moving operations. Standing tall at 32 feet and 9 inches, the CAT 6090 FS is not an average digger. It's equipped with features that make it a standout in the excavation arena. The automatic rollback limiter prevents material spillage onto the cab, ensuring a clean work environment while supporting maximum bucket capacity. This behemoth doesn't just rely on brawn. Its undercarriage and crawler components are reinforced to stand strong against the wear and tear of heavy-duty operations. And if numbers impress you, how about a bucket capacity of 68 cubic yards and an engine output of 4,500 horsepower? The CAT 6090 FS is not just an excavator. It's a powerhouse with finesse, making it one of the biggest shovels in the world with a payload capacity of 104 tons. Tunnel boring machine. Remember the old days of hand mining? Well, those days are long gone, all thanks to this tunnel boring machine, which is also known as the mole in excavation circles. This high-tech marvel is not your average digging device. It's the go-to choice for tunnel excavation, making it the rock star of underground construction. Designed to bore through the toughest terrains, be it hard rock, wet or dry soil or sand, this is like the superhero of tunneling. It's the alternative to traditional drilling and blasting methods, ensuring a smoother and more precise tunneling experience. Unlike the days of hand mining or resorting to explosive methods, this machine is the cool cat that comes in to save the day. It's practically the ninja of the excavation world, silently slicing through the earth with finesse. 75710. This incredible machine is the Bell AZ 75710, a behemoth of the haul truck world with a carrying capacity of 450 tons. As of 2013, it held the prestigious title of the world's largest and highest payload capacity hauled truck. Manufactured by Bell AZ, this ultra-class truck boasts a unique configuration featuring 10 wheels, 6 of which serve hydraulic load handling, while the remaining 4 are dedicated drive wheels. To put its might into perspective, the Bell AZ 75710 can carry a load equivalent to its own weight, 450 tons of sheer hauling power. You didn't see that coming now, did you? This haul truck is like the King Kong of the construction site, towering over its counterparts and roaring with the might of 1,000 engines. In terms of fuel consumption, this giant is no lightweight, guzzling a staggering 198 gallons of fuel per hour. To put that in layman's terms, it's enough to fill a Ford F-150's gas tank 8.5 times. Now that's what we call a thirst for the road. Before we uncover the next giant, hit that subscribe button faster than a Bell AZ 75710 to stay in the driver's seat for more colossal content. P&H 4100 XPC Electric Rope Shovel. This machine here is the P&H 4100 XPC Electric Rope Shovel, a marvel in mining technology that's as powerful as it is efficient. Manufactured by P&H Mining Equipment, this colossal electric rope shovel is changing the game in large-scale mining operations. Forget hydraulics, this machine's digging arm is a high-tech puppet master, controlled and powered by winches and steel ropes. With no engine to rev, it relies entirely on electrical power, making it a silent but mighty giant on the mining stage. The P&H 4100 XPC in its largest variety, the P&H 4800 XPC, boasts a dipper capacity of a whopping 92 cubic yards, which is enough to hold 3.5 whole F-150s in volume. It's the Marie Kondo of excavation, tidying up the earth in large-scale mining operations with unparalleled efficiency. In terms of weight, it can handle over 40 F-150s. That's more F-150s than a parking lot valet can handle. This machine is the dirt-moving maestro of the mining world, effortlessly shifting massive quantities of earth with the finesse of a seasoned conductor, helping the earth get a tidy makeover. SLJ 932. Sitting at number 6 is the SLJ 932 bridge girder, valued at $7 million and weighing 580 tons. It is also known as the Iron Monster and was made to assist in building bridges, making the entire process easier and more efficient. Manufactured by Beijing Wow Joint Machinery Company, this machine was designed to lift heavy beams for bridge building to great heights. With a measurement of 92 meters in length, 580 tons in weight, 9 meters in height, and a speed of 8 kilometers per hour on light weight and 5 kilometers per hour when carrying beams, this incredible hulk is a marvelous wonder to behold. Locotrack LT200. After the digging process of soil materials from the ground, crushing to see which parts are to be kept and refined further and which are to be thrown away is necessary. Many ways are available for this to be done, but one which proves to be the most effective is the use of a mobile cone crusher, of which the Locotrack LT200 is the largest on the market. It has a length of 16 meters, a width of 3 meters, a height of 3.4 meters, and a weight of 35 tons. It finds use in a variety of operations like producing ballast for railway construction and asphalt for roads. It has a 415 horsepower Cat engine and a Nordberg HP 200 crushing unit, along with a conveyor belt to make the entire process a continuous one, just like the Oompa Loompas making chocolates at the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. Danvik DD422i. Most of the machines we've discussed has been employed in open surface mining, but the Danvik has been made to work beneath the surface digging earth. Being the biggest underground machine, the Danvik DD422i is a development drill rig that is used to dig into areas that are thought to be rich in valuable resources. Being 29 tons in weight, 13 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 3.1 meters in height, this machine is powered by a Cummins engine and possesses a set of hydraulic drills which can be automated for efficiency. For safety, extra cutter heads and fire extinguishers have been placed in the vehicle, so users can be safe to carry out their operations, drilling away with their hearts like the Gurren Lagann. Hitachi EX8006. The X8006 was built by the company Hitachi as their largest excavator currently offered to the public. It has been designed for ease of repairs and maintenance if need be, making it a machine which can be operated for 24 hours. With such a valuable feature in mining easily attainable with this machine, one can be sure to reach maximum productivity when working in the mines. Weighing 894 tons, a length of 13.3 meters, a width of 10.6 meters, and a height of 31.5 meters, this machine can have its fitting changed to a shovel or a backhoe depending on the type of operation to be done, making it a versatile one among machines. Think of it as the Leonardo DiCaprio of machines. With a capacity of 43 cubic meters per pass, this machine can perform its operations with the help of its two Cummins engines that produce up to 4,000 horsepower, with a majority of this going to the arm used for digging, providing tremendous strength when it cuts into the ground. Bucyrus 2570W Walking Dragline. Next up is the Bucyrus 2570W Walking Dragline, a colossal crane-style marvel used for lifting heavy loads and collecting minerals and dust with ease. This heavyweight in the world of mining and construction employs a traditional yet effective method, using two ropes to hoist its massive bucket, one at the top and one at its base. Powered by 4 motor generators that convert direct current to AC, this walking dragline is no lightweight when it comes to electricity consumption, using a whopping 30 peak megawatts of power. With its own substation and a 23,000 volt cable, it's practically running its own power empire. Here's a fun fact. It took a whopping 1,500 man-hours to build, costing a cool $35 million. Talk about a high-maintenance friend. Affectionately known as Big Kate, this dragline boasts a bucket capacity of 100 cubic yards, a boom length of 310 feet, and an overall weight of 10.4 million pounds. With a digging depth of 140 feet and a maximum suspended load of 550,000 pounds, Big Kate moves at a leisurely 0.15 miles per hour, making it a tortoise in the construction race. In 1984, a machine like this sold for a jaw-dropping $54,347,783. Definitely not something you'd find in the bargain bin of heavy machinery. Liebherr R9800. Next on our list, we look at the Liebherr R9800, valued at $9 million and having a weight of 810 tons. This machine is equipped with a Cummins engine for its power of up to 4,000 horsepower. It's been categorized in the crawler excavators category of biggest machines with a bucket capacity of 42 cubic meters. The Liebherr company is a very popular company in the manufacturing of excavators, and this model, the R9800, is a pride among their creations. Liebherr LR13000. Liebherr LR13000 is known to be the tallest crawler crane in the world. This machine costs a whopping sum of $15 million. It weighs 7,000 tons and is the most powerful crane that is used in the construction of power plants and refineries. Handling heavy material, components that weigh up to 1,500 tons and measure 100 meters in length, The Liebherr LR13000 can be taken anywhere in the world at a low price. Despite how powerful it has been made to be, it can also boost its power to lift more weight using the power boom feature incorporated in its design. NASA Crawler Transporter. The next one is the NASA Crawler Transporter, a heavyweight in the world of spacecraft transportation. While not your typical mining machine, this behemoth made by the Power Shovel Company deserves a mention. This colossal vehicle is tasked with transporting spacecraft and rockets from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building to the launch pad. From 1981 to 2011, this crawler transporter carried the weight of historic missions like Apollo, Skylab, and the Saturn rocket. With only 2 in existence, both belonging to NASA, these giants have played a crucial role in shaping space exploration history. Weighing at 2,721 tons, the crawler transporter is the most incredible of all. With 8 tracks, 2 on each corner, resembling a robotic spider navigating the space launch terrain, each of its 57 shoes, weighing 900 kilograms, is like a team of miniature powerlifters supporting the colossal load. Measuring 40 by 35 meters, this vehicle is the Goliath of the space launch game. Its adjustable height, ranging from 6.1 to 7.9 meters, allows it to navigate various terrains like a cosmic chameleon, adapting to the needs of each mission. Each side can be raised and lowered independently, giving it the flexibility of a yoga master. So, the next time you hear about a rocket's journey to the stars, remember this unsung hero, the Crawler Transporter, making it all possible with a touch of interstellar elegance. Bet you didn't know about this one. Big Muskie. The Big Muskie, also known as the giant of the mining industry, costs about $25 million and weighs 12,247 tons. It is a super excavator in its own right, capable of carrying 300 pounds in weight of soil and rock at a time. The Central Ohio Coal Company owns this gargantuan of a machine, which stands at 67.7 meters in height, which is equivalent to a 21-story building, 46 meters in width, 148.5 meters in length, which is 2 times the length of a standard football pitch. For its most prominent mining feature, we have the bucket, which is also large enough to carry tons of soil and rock, thus helping the miners work faster before their coffee gets cold. Marion 6360. The Marion 6360, which costs $15 million and weighs 12,700 tons. Known as the Captain, the Marion 6360 was created in 1965 for the Southwestern Illinois Coal Corporation, which led it to become the world's largest mobile land machine. After being erected at the Captain Mine on the south side of Illinois, it was made to operate 24/7 by delivering railroad carloads of coal totaling 150 in number. With a single pass, the big machine removed 270 tons of overburden and uncovered 2 coal seams in the area. Its dipper measured 24 feet in length, 18 feet in width, 24 feet in height, and had a carrying capacity of 180 cubic yards. This for sure was no small toy in the grand scheme of things. Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60. Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60 has a price value of $45 million and a weight of 13,600 tons, making it one of the largest in the world. These conveyor bridges spread at a length of 502 meters, a width of 240 meters, and a height of 80 meters. Often depicted as a representation of the Eiffel Tower lying down, this conveyor bridge is the longest vehicle in the world. Ecotech Tree Shear. Ecotech Tree Shear is a machine attachment specially made for cutting trees. It is made with the ability to cut trees 14 inches in diameter, of which its shear can be replaced and placed on another machine to cut more trees of up to 22 inches in diameter. This makes it a convenient and reliable tool for cutting, giving Mr. Crab from SpongeBob a run from his money. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more videos from us. Until next time.